Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I'm your host, John Doe, and today I'm going to talk about how to use social media safely and securely. Social media platforms are great tools for connecting with friends, family and colleagues, as well as for sharing information, opinions and interests. However, they also come with some risks and challenges that you need to be aware of and avoid. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best practices for using social media platforms, how to protect your privacy and reputation online, and how to avoid phishing and other scams on social media. Privacy settings. One of the first things you should do when you sign up for a social media platform is to check and adjust your privacy settings. Privacy settings allow you to control who can see your posts, profile, photos, videos and other information. You should always choose the most restrictive option that suits your needs and preferences. For example, you can limit your posts to your friends only, or create custom lists for different groups of people. You can also review and edit your privacy settings regularly to make sure they are up to date and reflect any changes in your social media activity. Personal information. Another thing you should be careful about when using social media is what personal information you share online. Personal information includes your full name, date of birth, address, phone number, email address, bank details, passwords and any other sensitive data that can be used to identify you or access your accounts. You should never share this information on social media platforms or with anyone you don't know or trust. Hackers and scammers can use this information to steal your identity, money or data, or to impersonate you or someone else. You should also avoid posting anything that reveals your location, such as geotags, check-ins or photos of landmarks. This can expose you to physical threats such as stalking or burglary. Online reputation. A third aspect of social media use that you should pay attention to is your online reputation. Your online reputation is how you present yourself and how others perceive you on the internet. It can affect your personal and professional life in many ways. For example, it can influence your chances of getting a job, a scholarship or a loan. It can also affect your relationships with your friends, family and colleagues. You should always be respectful and responsible when posting or commenting on social media platforms. You should avoid posting anything that is offensive, inappropriate, false or illegal. You should also think twice before sharing anything that is controversial, sensitive or personal. Remember that once you post something online, it can be seen by anyone and it can be hard to delete or erase. Phishing and scams. A fourth topic that you should be aware of when using social media is phishing and scams. Phishing is a type of cyber attack that uses fake emails or messages to trick you into clicking on malicious links or attachments, or giving away your personal information or passwords. Scams are fraudulent schemes that use deception or manipulation to get you to pay money or provide valuable information or services. Both phishing and scams can target you through social media platforms in various ways. For example, they can use fake profiles or accounts to impersonate someone you know or trust, such as a friend, a family member or a celebrity. They can also use fake offers or promotions to lure you into clicking on malicious links or downloading malware. They can also use fake surveys or quizzes to collect your personal information or preferences. You should always be cautious and skeptical when receiving any unsolicited or suspicious messages or requests on social media platforms. You should never click on any links or attachments that you don't recognize or trust. You should also never give away any personal information or passwords to anyone online. In conclusion, using social media platforms can be fun and beneficial, but it also comes with some risks and challenges that you need to be aware of and avoid. To use social media safely and securely, you should follow these best practices. Check and adjust your privacy settings regularly. Be careful about what personal information you share online. Be respectful and responsible when posting or commenting on social media. Be cautious and skeptical when receiving any unsolicited or suspicious messages or requests on social media. By following these tips, you can protect yourself and your data from hackers and scammers, as well as maintain a positive online reputation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more security tips and tricks.